Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Prime Video fix black screen. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Amazon Prime Video and then tap on it. And once you're inside here, check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just updating to the latest version will fix the issue. But if in some case if that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, scroll down and then tap on general, and now tap on iPhone storage. And once you're inside here, scroll down and then find Amazon Prime Video. I don't have it, so I'm going to use Amazon as an example. And once you're inside here, tap on offload app and then tap on offload app to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once that's done, instead of this offload app, you will have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that's done, go back and try again. If that doesn't still work, then what you need to do is come back right here and then tap on delete app, delete the app, and then go back and go to the app store and simply install the Amazon Prime Video once again, and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.